At Rainforest Car Wash, we give you the top-notch oil change experience. When you come in, you're handed an iPad connected to cameras around and under your vehicle to watch everything. You also get free Wi-Fi, a free drink, and a free car wash. Get a Castrol GTX oil change with all the extras mentioned, and you're good to go. It usually takes less than 5 minutes, and you'll actually enjoy the experience. Visit 2 of our Rainforest Car Washes in Hattiesburg for a great top-notch oil change experience. And come experience our newest location in Magee.